Hello, everyone. So I want to quickly give you an update of this amazing app we are just working on. So we have been working, and this today is we are on episode 19, and we have moved so far right now. We have finished all the modules within the inventory, meaning the categories, brands, units, products, warehouse, suppliers, and we have also completed the users. We can create, delete, and everything with users and the roles. Now let me just show you the nice parts. The first one is for the roles. First of all, you can of course search for the role as usual. Search. You can delete. Those ones are nice ones. The nice one though is on the add new role. So when you add a role, we actually give you all the list of the privileges or the list of the modules you can give access to. Okay, so you just come here, for instance, brands, blah blah. Just going to use a fake feeder for this. So you can just see, you can select go and say users. I want a person to only view, add, and delete. I don't want him to edit, or I don't even want him to delete. I want only to view and add a new user. I can just go to suppliers. I want him to do A, B, C, D. Okay. So you can see like right now, we're just going to create it just like this. Okay. And I'm just going to say the role name for this person is going to be, let's say, maybe secretary. Okay. Let's say secretary for this matter. This one is a helper in the office, whichever description you want to use. Let's go ahead and save the role. So when you save the role, as now you may just wondering, why don't we just route all roles? But this is a very good experience. A person after creating a role might want to create more couple number of roles. So instead of routing forth and back, he can just keep on creating, and if he's done, goes ahead and close out of this. Okay, so we have this newly created secretary. Okay, now the nice thing is that if you just go back, for instance, to edit, you will just actually see that all these are actually just maintained the way they are. Okay, now look at this. If I close out this and I go to the users, okay, so just go to the users and we see onto the users, can we access these roles? When you're creating a new user, you should be able to assign a role. Okay, so just going to create on this, and basically we are on users. We have some existing users. We haven't talked about the inviting users and so on, but right now let me show you the another nice thing. If we go to create a user, actually just go here, create a user. Okay, we're just going to, I think I just can just go right click on this and just open it in a new tab, save type. Let's just see if we can just wait on this just a second. Remember, we are on localhost. Another thing, as we just on this one, okay, as we just click on this, I think create, it has opened. We can create a user. Definitely user has a number of things, but on this page I have also interesting things to show you. For instance, we created a dynamic input password input field. For instance, if you try to submit, you'll see that of course we have all these ones. If I just want to do fake field and I just add like a simple password, just like this. Of course, you can view the password. If you try to submit this, the password must be 8 characters. I'm just going to make it 8 characters and then try to save one more time. And they tell you password must contain a list, and this is a dynamic input. Okay, this is a dynamic input specifically for the password. Okay, so one more interesting thing is that you can actually generate the password. So you can generate a strong password for yourself, and you can see it is filling in here. Okay, moving forward, I'm just going to do add this. Okay. Of course, you don't want to have this type of password. Let me just go here and add a good one. Okay, so one thing I just want to show you, actually, let me generate a nice password here, maybe a longer one. Yeah, that one is okay. I'm just going to create here maybe test user 2 okay, this one just going to say test user 2 as the second name. Email, let me just add any email, any phone number. Now we can select the roles. As you can see here, we can assign a role. I want to put this person, maybe the secretary, just like this. Of course, you can choose any image. Which image can we give to this person right now? Let me choose this one. Okay, of course you can just like make this person active. And yeah, of course, even here on the section, if there are no roles, if you came here and there are no roles, you could just come and add a new role. Okay, uh, come on, upload. Okay, so the prod now is complete, I guess. Okay, so just go ahead, just go ahead and save the user. Of course, the password is not strong enough. I'm just going to say put first hide it, and I'm just going to say, for instance, a okay, something like this. Let's just go ahead and just save. Okay, so created successfully. I'm just going to close out this. So I want to show you one nice thing about on the users table. So one thing that we are showing, actually, you can see we are showing the role. Okay. Now you may think that actually accessing the role is just direct. It is not. Okay. It is not just direct, because if you think about it, the role is not directly attached, or we don't have the role name within the users. What we have is the role ID. So using this role ID to fetch and show this directly here on this table was really amazing, and how we did it dynamically. Okay. And then of course we have this uh, invite a invite a user. It is something we're just going to work on in the next episode, inviting users to come and log in with the details that they were created with. So far right now, if you click on invite user, you actually get all these details, like the login page, blah blah, and this first name, last name, and even the password. Okay. So you're just going to use these details to send to actually to invite the user. Okay. So yeah, so far that is the progress. Okay, that is the progress with this. And of course, I can't go without showing you the product model. This is looking so good, because the products it is having, in fact, in the whole inventory management system, or in the whole entire e-commerce, it is the product or the item that has the biggest model ever. Okay. In fact, it is second after the roles. These roles have a crazy model. If you, I can show you just a second. I can show you the model for the Prisma for creating this. It is so good. You look at this. This is the role, and it has all this stuff. Okay. So it is just, you look it on the interface, looks nice, but it is really great. For this product, we also have an amazing UI with the product, and I'm just going to show you just on the product UI, what things did we invent, and what nice things can you look up when we just are creating the products. I just want to quickly show you that one before I just end this demo. uh, okay, it has opened. Of course, we have really nice stuff we have just worked on. I've already showed you the select, which has a search. For instance, you can say blogs, and you have the blogs like that. So if you have a very long list, you are not worried, because you have a search built in this. Okay, so the nice things we have in here is, first of all, we have this custom barcode generator input, and it generates the barcode. And does not only generate the barcode, it actually shows you the barcode. Okay, and we don't only show the barcode, you can actually print that barcode if you wanted. Okay, of course that was really taking it more serious, but yeah, that's what this course is all about, reminding about small things. We went and created these inputs. So we modified the text inputs that we are using across the entire website. We created our custom inputs. Of course, all these ones are custom inputs. We created like this one. One, we have these things here, this why you can just actually have this pop-up. Okay, explaining more details about maybe this input. And you can see other inputs, it's not necessarily they have it. For instance, product store quantity, it doesn't have it here. Okay, but then here on the product tax, it actually have it, and it has also this, the unit. If it is in percent, you can say this one's supposed to be in percent. Whatever you put here will be in percent, which is really nice. So that was also a nice feature. Of course, the products here, you can upload multiple products, which is also nice to show up, actually to show you. I can just go ahead and just like select one, two, three products. This actually really nice to show. I can just like select all these three like this, and then I open them. So it's going to go ahead and just like upload all the three images and creates a uploads them, and then chooses the first item or the first image as the main image, which was also just nice to implement. And this one is also a custom component. If you want to use it in any other place, we have it as a custom component, and all these components can help you when you are building more other SaaS products. Maybe you are just now building an e-commerce or any other product. You can quickly grab this component which is already working and tested, and then use it in your project. Okay, I'm not going to go ahead and just create this. Maybe I could just go ahead and create it, just for purpose of testing or showing you. I'm just going to go here and just say this one product name is just going to be product test 3. Maybe we just call it maybe laptop, just for purposes of just like have something to put. Status disabled, you just have to go and put this. And if you just forget to fill in anything, of course you have this, please fill in all the fields. And this is for these ones, these inputs which are like this, suppliers, and you have to put tax method and so on and so forth is featured. And you can just go ahead and save. Okay, we still have more fields selected, which is the unit, I think. I think that's it. Save. Okay, saving, and boom. So we have it, the product created. I can just close out and just go back to this. We have this product we have created, the laptop. Okay, so far this is the update so far where we have reached, and we're on episode 19. And if you feel like you're hyped and you want to join us in building this, just simply head us to this link I'm just going to leave. It is just only a few dollars, and then we just like be with me here, build this. Okay, if you have any questions, you can also just inbox me. I will directly answer you. Thank you so much. See you in class.